You are seeking a way to make things happen without any physical action. You have heard about manifestation, and you want to do it with the help of your thoughts. But have you ever watched some guided meditation videos to manifest your desire? Have you noticed that before starting the meditation, the speaker asks you to relax and calm down by just focusing on your breath work? Well, why do they do so? How is it related to today's manifestation video? Why has Neville Goddard asked you to go into SATs to manifest your desire? And for God's sake, what are SATs? Is it some kind of exam? Well, I know you have not thought about this before. But if you stay with me, I will show you how this one little thing can give you massive results when manifesting your desire. This little thing will help you get what you desire quickly and easily. Let me explain it with the help of an example. Have you seen a whiteboard in your life? I am sure almost all of you have seen it or used it at some point in time. Before writing anything new, you just wipe the board so that you can get a fresh space to write or draw new things. It is common sense, right? Isn't it? But my question to you is, why don't you write over the previously written stuff? Again, it is a case of common sense. If you write over what is already written, it will look dirty and unreadable. You won't be able to understand what is written, and the writing will lose all its meaning. I am sure almost everyone would agree with me on this. Now that it is common sense to erase the board before writing anything new, where does this common sense go when manifesting your desire? Where does it go when affirming or visualizing something? Well, Neville Goddard introduced SAT, which is a state akin to sleep and simply means a state similar to sleep. It is a relaxed state in which you are completely calm and relaxed. Do you know why he asked you to get into the SATs? In my experience, getting into the SATs is like erasing the board of your mind for a few moments. When this board of your mind is empty, you can now fill it with your conscious thoughts. You can now paint this empty canvas as per your liking, and you can experience that reality here and now. When you generate conscious thoughts, you generate something that is very powerful. You generate something out of your life energy. Your thought is simply energy generated by you, since you are also a form of energy. When you do these guided meditations, you spend around 2-3 minutes relaxing your body by using breathwork. This enables you to clear the slate of your preoccupied mind. Your unconscious thought activity slows down, and you can now imagine the state of a wish fulfilled. That's why I asked you in my previous videos to sit with yourself, relax yourself, and then do affirmations or visualizations. A feeling is triggered within you when you speak a word that conveys that your desire has already been fulfilled. This feeling is the feeling of a wish being fulfilled. You have to maintain this feeling. It is that simple. Now, this does not mean that getting into the SATs is the only way to manifest. It is just a way that I consider useful for me. I speak from personal experience, and it has been beneficial to me. I am telling you all of this because when you are manifesting some desire, and you are not getting into the state of wish fulfillment, then try the guided meditation. It will land you in that state effortlessly. I was just showing you how clearing your mind of unnecessary thought patterns will help you create a thought that is powerful enough to find expression in the physical world. Many people do it. Many people manifest with the conscious use of thought. This happens when you have a single pointed mind. This means that, when you are clear about your desire, you do not waver. However, many people here waver. They think they want one person, then go out and see someone more attractive and change their mind. They are changing their direction every day, which is not helping them. That is why it is essential to stay focused on the feeling of having your desire until it physically manifests in your reality. Just repeat the imagined act and affirmations till they harden into facts. If you want something, you just have to do the work. Why does it matter how many times you have to do it? You will get it in the most beautiful way. Are you in some kind of competition with someone? It is your desire, right? You can have it, just do not waver and stay persistent in your assumptions. Also, as I said at the beginning of the video, relax yourself the next time you are doing the meditation. Relax your mind and slow down the unnecessary chatter that is going on before affirming or visualizing. Breathe deeply and focus your attention on your breath to enter a drowsy state where you are completely relaxed, and then create the conscious thought of having your desire. Also, I am telling you again that this is not the only way to manifest. If you do it mindlessly and robotically, just do it. I am just teaching you what I experienced and what Neville Goddard told in his lectures. Just try it. Clear the slate of your mind by relaxing, and then paint your beautiful art piece. With this, I hope you learned something wonderful today. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.